So ma'am, hindi man naton galing sila mapunggan sa paggamit sang social media. So makita man lang na nila in social media,
Mhm,
unlike sang years or decade, 1 decade ago or
mhm,
more, nga wala pa gid sa social media, what is available is sa mainstream media and the print.
mhm, mhm. So yes, there are we there are things na hindi natin makontrol, no, in terms of their use of social media.
Mhm.
However, what we can control is to communicate to our children, no, and this is where I suppose schools, teachers, guidance counselors, and parents and families in their homes, no, when they sit their children down and talk to them, how do you feel, ano ang need mo nga kinanglan mo gid ilang taon ang amo ng mga klase nga videos or amo ni nga klase nga news, no, does it help you nga kinanglan mo i-share or nga kinanglan naton lantawon ni liwat, no.
Mm.
Oftentimes may mga need, for example ang mga bata kay because I want to see kung pila ka bilog ang napilasan or classmate ko balay na or ano ang feeling man sang iban nga mga estudyante, no.
Mm.
Those are valid questions and those are valid concerns sa mga kabataan, and I suppose the parents and the family is a very important part of that dialogue, no, nga para mapaintindi kag makapakaistorya ang bata, no, kung ano gid man ang iya nabatyagan kag kung
Mm.
ano ang iya nga pag-intindi kag paghangop, no, sa mga news nga hantulad sini.
So, mas makabulig ma'am 'no, kung istoryahon gid sang parents, ang
Definitely.
bata kung ano ang nabatyagan niya
Yes,
after
definitely.
sang natabo.
Yes, yes, definitely. And as I suppose, I'm sure Ateneo de Zamboanga has made efforts, no, that
Mm.
after the event, this mass violence, I'm sure they are doing psychological first aid sa mga naka-experience, because this is a very very traumatic event in the
Mm.
lives of the children, no, and for parents as well who thought, no, nga ang ilang mga bata ara dito and they thought they were safe but they were not, no, so it's very re-traumatizing, not only for the child but for families as well. So this is the time wherein we have to work together, no, with the schools, with the teachers, and with parents and families kung ano ang pwede nato na obrahon, no, and
Mm.
I'm sure there are programs and there have been efforts, no, to ensure nga ang impact sa mga kabataan diri pati sini ma-mitigate kag ma-address, no, but more often than not, really the responsibility is most of the time it really falls into the hands of the parents and the family at home kay
Mm.
dira ang mga bata nagastay sa ila longer periods of time. Yeah.
Mm. Ano ayhan ma'am